Hello, little bookworms. I'm Miss Abby, and welcome to Abby's Reading Room. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll be reading a book called Waiting is Not Easy. We're going to meet an elephant who has a hard time waiting patiently for a big surprise. Come on, let's go.
Abby's Reading Room.
Waiting is Not Easy. By Mo Willems. Gerald! I have a surprise for you. Yay! What is it? The surprise is a surprise. Oh. Is it big? Yes. Is it pretty? Yes. Can we share it? Yes. I cannot wait. You will have to. Wait. What? Why? The surprise is not here yet. So I will have to wait for it? Yes. Oh well, if I have to wait, I will wait. I am waiting. Waiting is not easy. Piggie! I want to see your surprise now! I'm sorry, Gerald, but we must wait. I am done waiting. I do not think your surprise is worth all this waiting. I will not wait anymore. Okay, I will wait some more. It will be worth it. Piggie, we've waited too long. It is getting dark. It is getting darker. Soon we will not be able to see each other. Soon we will not be able to see anything. We have wasted the whole day. Well, we have waited and waited and waited and waited. And for what? For that. This was worth the wait. I know. Tomorrow morning, I want to show you the sunrise. I cannot wait. The end. Weren't those stars amazing? Even though it was hard for Elephant to wait, it sure was worth waiting for. Waiting can be hard sometimes, but you can trust that throughout your whole life, you'll have lots of chances to practice your patience. And what is patience? Well, it's waiting with a good attitude. If you're having as much fun as I am reading all these wonderful books, make sure and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.